Welcome to my channel, Texas Country Wife. My name is Valerie. I hope you'll enjoy your visit here with me today. Today I am going to show you how to make chocolate covered popcorn for the holidays. The first thing that you'll need to do is make some popcorn. I just used a handy dandy bag of microwave popcorn to do this. And I put a piece of aluminum foil on a cookie sheet, spread the popcorn out on that, and make sure to remove any kernels that did not pop. Next, you want to take a microwave safe bowl, add half a cup of chocolate chips and half a teaspoon of coconut oil. Put it in the microwave for 1 minute. Remove it and stir it. And if you need to, you can put it back into the microwave for another 30 seconds and stir it again. Next, you want to spoon the melted chocolate over the popcorn. Now you want to stir in the chocolate to combine so that almost all of the popcorn is completely coated in chocolate. You can also use white chocolate chips or butterscotch chips or peanut butter chips to do this. It is really quite delicious. After you've got the chocolate coated onto the popcorn, you want to take and place this cookie sheet either into the refrigerator or the freezer for 30 minutes to help set the chocolate. After the chocolate has set on the popcorn, you can put it in a festive little dish like I did here and put it on a tiny little festive holiday towel. It really makes for a cute snack during the holidays, and we really enjoyed this. You can also add little red and green Christmas sprinkles to the popcorn while the chocolate is still wet so that they stick to that popcorn. You could take the white chocolate chips and make the chocolate popcorn and put red and green sugar sprinkles on those, and that would show up too. We liked this. It was a nice sweet treat, and hey, chocolate popcorn is actually really good. I can't wait to try it with the other flavors of chips. Thank you for watching, and I'd like to wish you a very Merry Christmas. Please don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to my channel. I'd greatly appreciate it.